Hello and welcome to this short video where I'll show you the worker profile in admin mode in the staff management application Sinch. I'd just like to point out that a lot of this is customizable as we're aware that each company has its own priorities. So here we find ourselves in the basic tab of a certain Julia Hensworth, some basic personal information about her as well as a wallet balance of £72. If we go to the jobs tab, we can see she attended a job at the London Hilton, which was the £72 we saw in the wallet, as well as an upcoming job at Boomtown Fair. Appointments, we consider anything not directly related to the job itself, so it can be any kind of training, meetings, interviews, or in this case, a cash payout in the office, and you'll see all the ones the person has applied for right here. Probably the most important tab, the attributes tab. Here you collect information about your worker, and you can then set jobs so they have to fulfill certain attributes in order to be able to apply. So for example, if you need an English speaker, then Julia Hensworth is eligible as she has advanced English. The workers can submit feedback about each other, and once they start filling up, you'll get a better idea of what type of worker this is. Rating, this can be set up manually or automatically by the application. And again, you can set certain jobs so the worker has to have a certain amount of rating in order to be able to apply. The last tab that I'll show you is a calendar tab. Here you can see the worker's calendar, some holidays upcoming, as well as past jobs. You can set up info on this yourself, or the worker usually does it through their own profile. If you'd like to know more about the app, then please visit www.sinch.eu and request for a personalized demo. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.